In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put emotion into your ElevenLabs text-to-speech projects. This process should take around 5 minutes and offers a fantastic way to enhance your voice creations with a touch of expressive nuance. First and foremost, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. This can be any browser of your choice, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or others. Having access to the internet is crucial here, as all our tasks will be performed online. Once your browser is up, go ahead and log in to your ElevenLabs account. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the sign-up process, which is typically straightforward. Be sure to keep your login credentials handy for quick access, and remember, keep this sensitive info safe and secure. Now that you're logged in, we'll shift our focus to the text-to-speech feature that ElevenLabs offers. This is where the magic happens. Make sure you are using the 11v3 voice design. This design is known for its expressive capabilities, making it perfect for adding layers of emotion to your voice projects. The expressive voices here are what will allow us to add just the right touch of humanity to our digital voices. Next, when you're inputting your text, you'll want to enclose the word or phrase that describes the emotion you'd like to convey within square brackets. So, for instance, if you want the voice to sound happy, you would type in something like this. "Hello world, I'm so delighted to meet you today," with "delighted" enclosed in square brackets. This simple trick cues the software to add the designated emotion or expression to your voice, giving it the specific tone you desire. Once you've entered your text with the desired emotional cues, it's time to click Generate. This prompts the system to process your request and produce the voice output. The speed with which this happens can be quite impressive, making it all the more engaging as you see your creation come to life. Take a moment to listen to your generated voice. This is your chance to make sure everything sounds just the way you envisioned. Feel free to make adjustments if necessary. Sometimes tweaking the text or trying different emotional cues can help achieve the exact effect you're looking for. Finally, once you're happy with the result and the sound perfectly captures your message, go ahead and click on Share or Download. This will allow you to save your creation for future use or to share it with others. Whether you're preparing a presentation, a podcast, or any project where authentic emotional expression is key, these downloadable options provide flexibility for delivery. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to incorporate emotion into your TTS projects using ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching.